बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा.
Now, the next thing is, like, most of the time you may want these presentations to be shared, because once you create a beautiful presentations, definitely, you will have students asking for the presentations, and definitely you have to share, right? Because it's something you prepare the notes, and it's not only just for you to deliver the class. At the same time, you require to share with the participants. But again, the question comes, it's your efforts again. You have putting a lot of efforts in creating a presentation, so someone can simply copy and use those presentations without your permissions, privacy, restrictions, copyright content. There are plenty of things comes in our minds. So I want to make sure that I want to share my presentations at the same time. So I want to know, means I want to share at the same time. I don't want my content should be compromised. So there are a few things you have to do for that at the same time, which I do. There are a couple of options. You can convert this into PDF. So if you go to file, there is a print option. You can either print via your printer, the one which connected to my laptop. There is one software called Universal Document Converter, the one which I use. So with this software, you can convert them into PDF. Now, what is the difference? So there is one more option here, Microsoft Print to PDF, that is also there. I can use an inbuilt PDF converter. That is good. You can still use that. But there is a slight difference. Let me explain you the difference. The difference is, if you're using the Microsoft PDF printer, it will convert your PPT into PDF, but still there will be a copy paste issue. Still someone can copy paste your text from there, just like a normal PDF. If you see, there are a few PDFs where you can still copy the content and someone can simply paste it. But the difference here is, the one which I do here is Universal Document Controller. It's a kind of a license tool which I use. Of course, you'll find some cracks for that. This will convert your complete PDF into an image format, which means he can only take the screenshot. And while he's taking the screenshot, obviously, there are few things comes along with that, which means my own logo, my own content. So basically, he cannot even change a single word from the presentation. So he has to use as it is, and that's what I want. So if you see, normally, to be frankly saying, my presentations, my PDF books, they will be used almost all over the world. Even recently, one of my students also said, my PDF used in one of the institute in Abu Dhabi. So they use it. So as long as they're using with my own content without modifying, I even give permissions to them. I said, you can use. So the one who delivers the training over there is one of my students. He openly uses that. Still, he seeks permission before that. That is, obviously, he is a good person. But at the end, the content what we create, it is for sharing only. It's not like I want to make it personal, but at the same time, I want to make it sure that it's been used with my own efforts. So basically, the people should know your efforts as well. Okay, so there is something I use. You may find other options as well. After trying a lot of options, I have settled for this option, which I use. Even if you see many of my PDFs which are out, if you have seen even the Youth Empowerment Program which we create, that is also one kind of secure way, So no one can change the content inside unless he types down each and everything from the scratch, which is a huge effort again. And many people don't want to do that. So this is something about privacy, securing your documents as well, which is also very important.